What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You see I got that GMC on the trailer right there. That's right, got her all wrapped up. I'm officially going to take it to a different tuner up in Lincoln, Nebraska. Be heading out there tomorrow morning. So tonight I'm gonna go ahead and take it back home early morning tomorrow, give it a nice wash, change the new wheels. I got a new set of wheels for this. I'll show you guys tomorrow when I put them on, but it should look pretty sick. We'll get a dyno tune in and we'll record that process. I'll be running 8 pounds of boost, low boost, because that's the spring that I got in is an 8.7 pound spring. So I'm hoping on the 85, because that's what it's got in the tank right now is the 85, but I'm hoping for like a good 500 is what I'm hoping. Maybe that's asking for too much, but that's what we're hoping for. So excited as fuck, and apologize for lagging on the videos. This has been a long process, a long journey. Been through a lot of roadblocks. I could have just bought one already done, but what's the sense of buying one that's already done when you know, you ain't get to, I guess, experience what it takes to get one done, and that's what I wanted. Finally, here I am. Gotta get this whole tuned. So next morning, getting the wheels on. Show you guys the new wheels that I went with. I went with the Weld Venturas. I think they're 305s. Let me check the tires, see what kind of tires they are. I do have the front rims for them. I just waiting on tires. These are 20 by 5s. You can see right here, 20 by 5. So it's really hard to get tires for these. I recommend running maybe like a 195. I think it's a 195 50 20. So they're like $300 a piece for a tire for those kind of wheels. Running some Dyno 55R. So I'm gonna go ahead, get the wheels on, and get it loaded up. Got the trailer over there. Let's do it. All right, got the wheels on. About to get it ready, loaded up on the trailer. Head out to the tuner. It's about an hour 30 from where we're at. It's pretty clean. So I'm missing this little latch here for the tailgate, which is the reason why I don't have it on yet, but I don't need it at the moment. Just trying to get tuned. So we'll see how much power it makes. I'm gonna stop by, pick up some stuff, and then we'll head on out. That's the grass. All right, we made it. We're here at Fan Motorsports. We got a little dealership going on, but I'm gonna go ahead and unload the truck and show you guys what we're gonna do. It's my first time, so it's been pretty badass experience. But we'll see. We're gonna go ahead and unload this, and let's go from there. he's gonna reverse it or he's just gonna go straight forward. But we'll see here in a bit. Just waiting on the homie over there. We got the dyno right there, so we'll get it. We got all sorts of cars over here. Check them out, S2K. All right, we're gonna go get some lunch. Send it over to the tuner. My bad, excuse me. Then we got a CRX. Quite a bit of Hondas here. But yeah, we'll be right back. Go get some food. Let's go eat.
Every corner of the automotive world, from hot rods and race cars to off-roaders and motorcycles.
Checking the injectors, flow testing them. Just putting them back on right now. Sick ass Skyline right there. Got the Magic Man over there. Sick ass all-wheel drive hatch. A lot of cars, but did our first pull. Started misfiring, so just making sure everything's good.
Take that money to get merchandise.
Follow him on YouTube. You want to turn around so you can see your YouTube channel on your shirt, in the back of your shirt. Fam's Legend, right there. Check him out on YouTube. You got Facebook as well, right?
Yeah.
And then Instagram?
Yeah.
Instagram. Check him out. Fam's Motorsports in Lincoln, Nebraska. Just did a smoke test. Looks good. So now we'll be putting everything back together. Continue to tune. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and Saturday, tuner's got things he needs to take care of. So shout out to Fam Motorsports. I'll be back Monday, finish off the tune, and we'll see how much power it makes. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. How much power? I'm thinking low boost 400. What's going on, y'all? We are back. It is Monday. I'm gonna go check up on the truck. Looks like it's closed over there, but it's got the door open, so we'll go see what's up. Hopefully they're here. Oh, looks like he's got the door open over there. Little too hot, let it cool down. He's gonna do another run. Got the fan, brand new turbo, smoking from the turbo, but it says that's normal. So see how it goes this time around. Might need to add some more coolant, not sure yet, but we'll see here in a bit. Check out this all-wheel drive Honda they got here. Beautiful. SI. Boosted car seats. Check that out. Beautiful wheels. Give them a follow. Fam Motorsports. right, so we are currently making some quick modifications. Here's the new fuel pump that we need. Right here, this is a 525 liter per hour fuel pump. The one that we have originally inside the tank right now is a 340. He says that the check valve burnt up, or he thinks it just went to shit. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. It was leaning out. He showed me the graph. I'll have to show you guys tomorrow. Maybe I'll have him explain it. But Javi's cutting up the housing so that the fuel pump fits in there, modifying it, and then we'll be there first thing in the morning to install it. So we'll see you guys.